Okay, so imagine this. Paying a robot $50 to run your social media for 30 days. Sounds crazy, but guess what? I'm doing it, and here's how. We've all been there. The dreadful content burnout. Your endless brainstorming, filming, editing, posting. Sick of it, right? Only to end up exhausted and inconsistent. Now, what if I told you there was a secret to keeping your content pipeline full without the stress? Yes, I know it sounds crazy. So think of it this way. It's a system that takes care of the ideation, the process, the posting. And let me tell you what the real struggle is. Continuously creating high quality content that is consistent to an already full plate. And yes, you can manually schedule your posting, but that is also a tedious task that sometimes just falls behind. So for just $50, this bot is going to automate the entire process for me, from ideation to posting. And over the next couple of weeks, I'm gonna share the results with you. Whether that's analytics or any breakdowns in the automation, any problems the robot has, I'm gonna be sharing that with you. Because who wouldn't want a steady stream of engaging content without lifting a finger? Now, this system is supposed to save us time, keep our content fresh and relevant, and giving us time to do whatever we wanna do. And I think the only question that is relevant at this moment is, are you ready to say goodbye to content burnout? The first step is choosing your anchor. So this means that you're going to pick one platform that you will exclusively post to that your bot will repurpose from. Understanding that each platform has a different vibe will definitely save you a lot of time when it comes to creating. So I want you to imagine being at a work party. Think about all of the different personalities that are showcased in this room. Let's start with character 1. Meet YouTube, the business casual creative. When it comes to content on YouTube, it's a little bit of both. You can post your professional content on here, but you can also have fun and be creative and explore. Coming into the party next, we have Instagram, aka IG. We like to consider him the tech bro, all about numbers and aesthetics. But don't be fooled, you can learn a few things from this tech bro. Next in, we have TikTok. We like to consider this platform the rebel of the bunch. This is the person that shows up to the party late, do what they want to do, ultimately being their self authentically. Next, we have LinkedIn. We can look at this character as the boss. If you're looking to solidify yourself as an expert in the work world, this is the perfect place to do it. Professional, but still know how to have a good time. And lastly, we have the life of the party, Twitter, aka X. This is where you go to talk and engage with people on a different level. Sharing your ideas and thoughts do very well on this platform. So which part of the party do you want to be a part of? Choosing your anchor ahead of time will help you understand what content you need to create and how to tweak it when it comes to the rest of the platforms. Let's say you're starting with this very platform. You can create long-form content and chop it into short-form content to repurpose into YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikToks. But if you're a seasoned content creator and have already chosen your platform, your next step will be to analyze the analytics from your platforms. So for the next step in our process, we're going to have ChatGPT analyze our anchor platform. This means we're going to go ahead and download our analytics. We'll use TikTok, for example. We're going to head over to TikTok Studio, hit the download data. Make sure you're using at least 60 days so it can get a good look at your social media. But that's only if you've been consistent. If not, try the next one down. If you have to, last resort is last 7 days. You're going to head back to ChatGPT, add your spreadsheet into the box along with this prompt. Now, this is basically a fill in the blank prompt. I'm going to put it in the description. The parts of the prompt that are in brackets, you're going to fill in with your own information. So since we're just focusing on one platform, we're going to delete the rest of them. So I just came up with some information that we could stuff into this prompt. It says, I am a content creator focusing on skincare, specifically helping women in their 40s find the perfect skincare routine with my skin analysis consultation. My goal is to analyze and improve my social media content strategy across TikTok. So we're going to hit enter. And it's going to show the numbers from your specific CSV that you uploaded. It gave us the analysis of what we already have, as well as recommendations for improvement. So consistent posting schedule, content variety, engagement focus. The next steps, create a content calendar, analyze peak engagement times, and monitor and adapt. So it can help you with this content calendar. Right here, it's asking, would you like a detailed plan or specific content ideas? You can just say yes. So it gave us a detailed content plan all the way through Sunday for a weekly content schedule. Now, if you want it to give you actual trending hashtags, it can search the web, but you will need GPT-4. If you scroll down, here are actual content ideas for the days that it's scheduled. So for Myth Busting Monday, it gave us 2 ideas. The first one is you don't need sunscreen on cloudy days. The second one is expensive skincare products are always better. Now, these can be hashed out to longer pieces of content, but this can actually just be on-screen text over B-roll. All of that is completely up to you. It even gives you a couple of call to actions, the posting times, and engagement strategies. The monitoring and adapting, you can come back into ChatGPT every Sunday, give it your analytics for the week so it can optimize the content that it's helping you create. So with ChatGPT giving you all of this information, you can optimize it a bit more. You can feed it transcripts from some of your videos so it can learn your brand tone and brand voice. Just make sure you feed it all of your analytics from TikTok, not just your views, but your trending videos, as well as your follower demographics, so it can curate your content behind all of that. Now, if you're starting fresh, you can just have it give you a content calendar after you tell it your ideas and what you want to do when it comes to creating content. And the more you create content, the more consistent you are, it can help you optimize your content for the future. Remember, this is only week 1. Hit the subscribe button if you're not already so you can follow the journey. Make sure you hit the like and share button so you can help your friends with their content too. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment, and make sure you visit my stand store to join the waitlist because there is something coming and you won't want to miss it. I'm pretty sure it has to do with bots and automation. But I'll see you guys next week for installment 2 in the I Hate Posting series. Okay, bye.